Imagine the tantalizing sizzle as a wok hits the flame, the aroma of fresh herbs and spices wafting through the air, the vibrant colors of fresh vegetables and fruits, and the balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors that dance on your tongue. Welcome to the world of Thai food, a cuisine renowned for its harmonious blend of flavors and textures, a true testament to the culinary prowess of Thailand. The story of Thai food begins over 1,000 years ago, in the lush landscapes of Southeast Asia. As trade routes expanded, the region became a melting pot of flavors, with influences from China, India, and neighboring Southeast Asian cultures. The Thai people, originally from the Chinese province of Guangxi, migrated into modern-day Thailand around the 10th century. They brought with them cooking techniques like stir-frying and the use of a wok, as well as ingredients like rice, noodles, soy sauce, and tofu. In the 14th century, the Ayutthaya kingdom rose to prominence, becoming a major trade hub. The royal court took an interest in fine dining, leading to the development of complex dishes that combined local ingredients with foreign spices. It's during this time that the Thai culinary principles of balancing different flavors were established. As the centuries passed, Thai food continued to evolve. The 16th century saw the introduction of chili peppers from the Americas, forever changing Thai cuisine's flavor profile. Meanwhile, contact with European traders brought ingredients like potatoes and tomatoes. The 19th century Ratanakosin era, marked by the reign of King Rama II, is often considered the golden age of Thai cuisine. The king himself was a poet and a food lover. His reign saw the creation of many dishes that are still loved today, such as the green curry and the tom yum soup. Fast forward to the 20th century, Thai food began to make its mark on the global stage. Thai restaurants started popping up in major cities around the world. Dishes like pad thai, green curry, and mango sticky rice have become global favorites, delighting food lovers with their exotic flavors and vibrant presentations. So, to sum it all up, Thai food is a cuisine that has been shaped by a rich tapestry of historical influences. From its early Chinese influences to the vibrant flavors introduced by foreign trade, from the culinary refinement of the Ayutthaya kingdom to the global love affair with Thai food today, each era has left its unique imprint. And it's this blend of history, culture, and exquisite flavors that makes Thai food the culinary marvel it is today. Remember, the next time you enjoy a plate of pad thai or a bowl of tom yum soup, you're not just savoring a delicious meal. You're also partaking in a culinary tradition that has been centuries in the making. A tradition that has traveled through time, absorbing influences and evolving to bring you the perfect balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy that is the hallmark of Thai cuisine.